Hello, my name is Mark. This is my 6-year-old son Max, and this is my 3-year-old George. Today we're gonna try to get electricity out of a lemon. Did you guys know that could happen? Have we done it yet? No, so we really don't know it can happen yet, huh? That's the experiment, huh? So should we try it out?
Yep.
Okay, so we got ourselves some copper wire that we bought at Home Depot. It's only 22 cents a foot.
Oh, there.
Got one here. I think I made this a little too short. We'll try it out. Jab that in right there, okay?
Yeah.
Then we got our paper clip, and that's going to just go in right here. Are we killing the lemon? Don't kill the lemon.
Yeah. It's an arm. It's an arm.
Yeah, looks like an arm, huh?
Yeah.
Looks like we're putting an antenna on now too, huh? So we're gonna connect this somehow. Let's see if this will work. Got trusty Papa's trusty needle nose pliers here. So I'm
It's
gonna
like a
clap it
wig.
together.
It's like a wig. It's like a wig. Stop it.
The experiment calls for stiff wire. I think we got super stiff wire. Now,
Whoa.
the trick is, now if we have it this way, if we put this on our tongue, put this off a little bit here. If we stick it on our tongue, we could actually feel the electricity. Does anybody want to try it? Do you want to try it? Do you want to try it?
No.
You don't want to put it on your tongue?
How about you?
Daddy's going to try it. You guys ready for this? Let's see if it works.
Do you feel it?
Mm-hmm.
No.
Maybe if I clamp this. Oh, can I have this, please? Thank you.
Yeah?
Clamp this down a little bit.
I want to try. I want to try now.
You want to try it now? I think.
It's like a wig. The picture of this is covered.
Yeah. Okay. You want to try it? Stick your tongue on it. You feel like there's electricity in there? Yeah? You think so? Okay. Well, since our tongue really can't tell for sure, we're going to use a little light bulb. Where's the light bulb, Max? We're going to see if this works. All right. Should we try this and see
No,
if it works?
I want to do it.
I'm going to put this side on here and this side on here. Nothing. Do you guys see anything?
No.
Nothing.
Got it.
Let's switch the sides.
Hey,
You see anything? See it lighting up? Nothing, huh? Nothing.
maybe
All right.
because we need
Should we
more.
do more lemons? Okay, we'll try more lemons. Let's go ahead and go on to the... We'll put some lemons together and we'll be back. All right, we're back. So as you can tell, we have now connected how many lemons? Count them.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 lemons.
We have 6 lemons now connected to see if we can get this to work. All right. George, you got the bulb? Can you hold it up over here and we'll connect the wires to it? All right. Just hold it right there. We want the camera to see the bulb, so have your fingers like that.
So people can see
Yeah,
all
we want
around
everybody
the
to
world.
see. All right, hold it like that. Then we'll try to connect it, okay? All right. I got mine on the side. George, Max, you go on the bottom. On the bottom.
Oh.
Oh, hang on. Is it still connected? No, it came undone. All right, that's fine. We'll just put it back together. All right, George, ready to put it back? Okay, put it back up here. All right, hold it up there like that. And we'll connect the side. Max, you got the bottom? Is it on? I can't see. Is it on?
Nope.
No, okay. Let's switch the polarity. Max, you touch the side.
George, you touched the ball.
And I'll touch the bottom. Is it on?
Nope.
No. Well, is there always success in an experiment? No. Thomas Edison, did you know when it took him over 1,000 times 1,000 tries at, hey, it took over 1,000 tries for Thomas Edison to build the light bulb. You know what he said? It was not 1,000 failures, but it just took 1,000 steps for him to figure it out. So I think we just need to keep working at it, and we'll see what we can do. What else do you think we could do? I'm thinking these are not connecting very well, so maybe if we can file them down a little bit and connect them, it might work a little bit better.
What my idea is, we get the wire and push it in there and pull these out, and maybe it'll work.
Well, that's part of the experiment, is that we're supposed to have these in here. So you can't have them both like that, because it needs to have a positive charge and a negative charge. So this is probably one of the the positive charge, and this is negative charge that's coming through here. So it needs to be attached like this. But I'm thinking the connections might not be working. What do you think? Or this is too high of a voltage of a bulb. So let me do one more test and see if this works.
George, don't scrape the table.
Maybe it was that. That tastes good.
You taste it. Put 'em. No, you gotta come closer.
Oh.
No, I didn't like that. Come here, George. You
Did
want to
you?
taste it? Maybe we should not be sharing the same wires, huh? Let me wipe those off. Here, come here, George. Get up there. Stick your tongue on it. Gotta get. Oh, we disconnected it. You gotta come to it, George. So stand up. Lean over.
We kill it down, baby.
Do you feel it? Well, maybe there is some electricity going through. So we'll try a different bulb, we'll try different connections, and we'll be back. Alright, we're mostly back. Max and I are here. George has decided to take 5, or in other words, take a nap. We're going to try a different light bulb and see if that'll work. It's just a Christmas light. And we'll see if that works for us. Alright, Max, I'm going to hold the bulb. I'll put one lead against it, and I'm going to put the other lead over here against this wire. See that
Okay.
wire? Okay.
Now let's see if it works.
So touch that end.
What
You touch the other end. The other little wire right there. Is it working?
No.
It's not, is it? Let's try to rearrange a little bit. Are we coming unplugged? We came unplugged. Maybe that's why.
Or maybe we may go more deep in.
No, maybe. Okay.
Let's try again.
Try again.
See if this will work.
Anything? Oh!
We have light.
We have a light. Do you see that? Yeah, we got it to work.
Nice.
Let's see if it will
Lemons do
Light light
produce
bulb.
electricity. Now, another way we can measure it is a voltmeter, as you can see right here. As we were getting a little worried that it was not working well, we pulled out the voltmeter to see if it would work. So
hang on. Let's
if
see
you want to zoom, we'll zoom in on the voltmeter. You hold that up against here, and I'll hold this one up against here. Okay. Hold it tight.
What am I zooming in on?
The
number?
The number on the voltmeter.
Okay. Is it on?
It's on.
See it right there. Okay. You see it?
We're at about 5.3 volts is the highest I've had it go.
5.1, 5.2. Ooh, 5.5.
Ooh, even better.
Yeah.
So we do know it works. It does about 5 volts.
Maybe it was.
These light bulbs, these are the little flashlight bulbs. It's 4.5 volts it requires. And it's 1.5 watt. So maybe this fact that it's, so that it is 5.3 volts, this is 4.5 volts. It just might be that we can't get a good connection against the
Let's
side
see if
here.
we can really
But
get
we got the
it.
Christmas light to work,
Let's-
so I
let's-
think it's a success, don't you,
Let's
Max?
see if it will really work this time.
All right, let's try it again.
You hold it.
We'll try it again. All right.
Let's do it again.
Okay, do it again.
And now it's blue.
There we go.
There
Got
it
to
is.
work. Ta-da!
Ta-da.
So I think our experiment is a success, don't you? All right, good deal.